Today I will show you how to create this animation in Canva. Let's start. Go to Canva, choose video, choose this resolution, click on background and change the background color as you want. Go to elements and search it bulb. Then go to graphics, see all. Then choose any type of graphic as you want. Resize it. Then rotate little bit like this. Change the color to white. Then go to uploads and upload your product image, and then remove the background of the product image. Resize it. Place it into the center of the page and little bit rotate like this. Then go to elements and search here Gava. Go to photos and choose any one of these. Resize it. Go to layers and behind the product image. Again go to layers, select on shape, duplicate it and change the color to background color. Drag like this. Then go to text and add text of your product. Change the font of text as you want. Resize it. Set it into the top of the page. Then change the color to white and duplicate it and change the next text. Resize the text and adjust it. Then duplicate the page. Go to first page. Go to layers and product image to rotate 0 degree. Then hide behind the shape. Also the picture of Gava. Hide behind the shape. Then select shape and adjust it to this one. Now select the text and drag it into the center of the page. Then resize it. Then go to animates and choose any animate you want. Then go to transition and add match and move transition between the pages and increase the duration of the transition. Here is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe the channel for learn more about Canva. Thanks for watching.